Greetings to each and every one of you. Today, we are here to discuss with you the details of such an amazing future-oriented platform, which is here to provide you not a short-term but a very long-term earning base. So today we are talking about BotFather, where we will be discussing all the amazing incomes and all the other amazing benefits which you can get from here. So the official website of this platform is www.botfather.tg. If we start with the introduction details, so BotFather operates as an investment platform which specializes in forex, cryptocurrency and real estate opportunities. Basically, on this platform you will get all the required resources so you don't have to search it anywhere else. The BotFather's ecosystem is widely spread between crypto, forex, real estate, casino and crypto exchange. Whereas if we talk about the key revenue verticals, so this is a diversified field where unlimited earning potential is in your hand. Because here the revenue is generated through forex market, from the crypto market and also from the real estate. Because in today's world, all these three fields are the most profit generating ecosystems. So if we gain some knowledge about what is forex market, so forex market, which is basically known as foreign exchange, is a global system which facilitates currency transactions between different countries. Fund transfers supporting global exchange of goods and services and many more other services are there. If we talk about the other details, so the daily turnover of this is around $7.5 trillion, which is huge. Now, if we talk about what is crypto market and how big is it, so crypto market is a decentralized digital marketplace where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple tokens are traded. This market is also too big because with $3.21 trillion plus market capping of over 560 million plus crypto users are there globally. So with BotFather, even you can take the benefit of this widely spread market. We're now moving ahead directly, we talk about their smart earning program. So if you join the BotFather program, then you will have the chance to become a successful internet entrepreneur. Because this program will give you the foundation for your success and personal growth. So the smart way to earn is with BotFather, where you can join with a minimal cost of just $100 and maximum there is no limit, because as maximum amount as you invest here, that much high returns you are going to get from here. So with minimum investment also you can get maximum rewards, after which you will get the benefit of different types of incomes like profit sharing, direct income, level income, royalty income, override royalty and in the form of lifetime rewards. We'll discuss all these benefits one by one. So let's move ahead to talk about the very first benefit which you can get from here, which is the profit sharing benefit. So for getting this profit sharing benefit, if your minimum investment is with $100 or with above any amount, then on that you will get monthly 12% as the great benefit. Now in this 12%, it includes 4% principal amount and remaining 8% is your profit which you will get every month. Now if we understand this with more clearer example, then here, for example, if Mr. John has invested $1 lakh, then according to 12% rate, he will get $12,000 per month up to 25 months. That means he will enjoy a total of 300% of benefit. So similarly, with the same procedure, anyone can withdraw their invested principal amount after 90 days. Then they will get the remaining principal amount after deducting the principal which they have received on monthly basis. Now moving ahead, if we talk about the direct income which you can get from here, so whenever you are directly referring any new member, then on each successful referral, you will receive 5% bonus based on their package value. That means you have to do unlimited direct as per your own wish so that you can make your income unlimited. Now moving ahead, the next benefit you can get from here is the level income benefit. Basically, this is the level ROI which you can get from a total of 25 levels, where first level will provide you a benefit of 12%. So for example, in your first level, person A has been placed which has deposited total $1 lakh So they will get 12% of their amount which they have deposited, and the 12% which they are getting is their ROI. So on their ROI, even you will get 12% as the level income benefit. Along with that, it's compulsory to do one direct over here. Similarly, in level 2 with the same procedure, you will get 8% as your income benefit where you have to do one additional direct. From level 3, you will earn 5% benefit where you have to do one additional direct. From level 4, you will earn 2.5% where you have to do one more additional direct. From level 5 to 10, you will get 1.25% where you have to do one more additional direct. And finally, from level 11 to level 25, you will earn 1% from each level where you have to do additional one direct to get this level income benefit. Now, if we talk about the criteria through which you can enjoy the income from all these 25 levels, then you can qualify for all the 25 levels either by sponsoring 6 direct referrals, or you can also achieve these 25 levels of income if your self-investment is of $5,000. Now, after this, the next benefit you can enjoy from here is the royalty income benefit. So friends, if you also want to qualify to get this income of royalty, so the target is to complete $150,000 on which you will qualify to get this royalty income, where the platform will distribute total team turnovers 1% as monthly royalty benefit up to unlimited levels. That means 0.033% daily or 1% monthly from your total team business is provided as royalty, where to match trading account business, 60:40 ratio is considered. That means 60% will be counted from the strongest team and remaining 40% from rest of the team. Now, we are going to move ahead to talk about the override royalty benefit which you can get from here. So this is the most unique advantage which any platform can provide you ever. Override royalty will be provided from a total of 7 levels, where these levels are basically compressed levels. So friends, in override royalty, the first royalty achievers in your team at any level will be counted as one level achiever. So here in level 1, the 60% of override royalty benefit will be provided, and for which the monthly matching criteria is of $10,000. Similarly, from your same leg, if anyone has received the second royalty who has become the second royalty achiever, then they will be considered in the second level, where a monthly matching of $25,000 is required and 40% will be the override royalty. And if we talk about level 3 to level 7, then here also with the same procedure, the achievers will be counted, where the monthly matching target is of $50,000 and the override royalty will be 20%. Now, last but not the least, if we talk about the rewards benefit which you can get from here, so you will get the rewards on the basis of business target completed in your one leg and in all other legs, where first of all, if $5,000 of business has been done in one leg and $5,000 of business has been done in all other legs, then your rank will be sales manager and you will get a reward of $5 per day up to 100 days. If we talk about the next target, so the business targets will be counted on next to next basis. So if new $15,000 of business has been completed in one leg and new $15,000 of business target has been completed in all other legs, then your rank will be senior sales manager and you will get a per day reward of $15 up to 100 days. Now, before we move to the next target, I want to inform you about one very special opportunity which you are getting in the form of lifetime rewards. So basically, overall there is no time limit to achieve these targets. But for example, you have already achieved the first reward of $5 per day. So before the completion of these 100 days, if you can complete the new target of $15,000 in both the legs again, then you will be eligible to get the benefit of $15 along with the old $5. That means you will be eligible to enjoy a total of $20 up to the next 100 days as your lifetime reward benefit. The same situation goes well for all the other targets, where if you can complete new $40,000 of business in one leg and new $40,000 of business in all other leg, then your rank will be executive. You will get per day $40 up to 100 days. If a total business of $75,000 on new basis and new total business of $75,000 has been completed in all other leg and in one leg, then your rank will be executive manager. You will get reward of $75 per day up to 100 days. And as the target keeps on increasing, you have the opportunity to earn up to $50,000 per day as your lifetime reward benefit. So that's how these were the complete details about this great and revolutionary income model. Where now if we talk about some important terms and conditions, so deposit and withdrawal are done only in USDT. Minimum $20 withdrawal will be accepted. Withdrawal will be credited within 72 hours of the request. Profit sharing will be withdrawn on 5th of every month. Royalty income will be withdrawn on 15th of every month. Lifetime reward withdrawal will be every Friday. Non-working income will be maximum 3x and working will be 5x. And all the withdrawals will have 10% deduction for admin charge. So that's how these were the complete details of BotFather, where if you want to get more information or if you directly want to connect with the leaders, then today itself you can visit www.botfather.tg. Thank you.